Improve your sense of taste. Guided Meditation Day 19. What kind of house? What kind of person? What kind of tree? I taste things. We distinguish the taste of food. It is sweet, sour, sharp, salty, bitter, fresh. But the sense of taste develops further. He has taste. So we say about a person who loves and appreciates beauty, surrounds himself with exquisite things, dresses beautifully. By meeting the beautiful and harmonious, the sublime and the low, the original and the vulgar, I develop my sense of taste. If a person, for example, dresses tastelessly, it means that there is no harmony, no distinctive feature in his clothes. Taste is what I feel at the boundary between myself and the outside world. An adjective expresses the relationship between a person and the world around him. Let's start a meditation practice. Sit comfortably. Straighten your back. Place your palms on your knees. Turn your palms towards the sky. Relax your shoulders and your whole body. Focus your attention on your body. Close your eyes. Follow my voice. Take a deep breath and deep exhale. Try to feel the earth's energy, filling your lower chakras and rising to the heart area, and then to the throat area, and moving on to the crown of your head. Repeat. Inhale and feel all the chakras of your body with the energy of the earth. The earth's energy brings warmth to our body. And now we direct our attention to the throat area. Feel your throat. Try to feel lightness and comfort in your throat. Repeat after me out loud. I am here and now. I am here and now. I can taste my flavor. I can taste my flavor. I consciously want changes in my life. I consciously want changes in my life. My life and my tastes are changing for the better. My life and my tastes are changing for the better. I am becoming more harmonious and calm. I am becoming more harmonious and calm. My whole palette of tastes is changing. My whole palette of tastes is changing. My life is filled with light and love. My life is filled with light and love. My dear friend, our taste actually shows the state of our soul, the state of our perception of the world, harmony with ourselves. When a person has a taste for life, he or she looks harmonious, satisfied with life, satisfied with himself or herself. Every feeling we have is important. When we work on ourselves spiritually, we change in real life. Change is never easy, but it makes your life harmonious and meaningful. Continue.